So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your one-stop solution for the latest job opportunities, everything you need to crack roles in data analytics, data engineering, and beyond. So today we have an amazing job opportunity at PwC, which is one of the big four accounting firms. They are basically hiring for the role of data engineering associate in the financial market assurance team. And yes, this is the entry level opportunity for freshers. So if you are passionate about data, cloud, Python, or SQL and want to launch your career in a global brand like PwC, then this video is for you. Stick around till the end for tips on how to prepare and how you can apply. But before diving into the job details, if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, do subscribe to our channel because we are bringing 3 plus job opportunities daily on this particular YouTube channel. Also turn on the notification bell so you never miss out any opportunity from our end. So now let's dive into the job details. So as you can see, the job is of data engineering associate, which is assurance financial market, and you're going to be a part of the financial market business advisory service team. This means that you'll help solve complex challenges in the areas like audit, regulatory compliance, financial analysis, and reporting using data. So let's discuss the key responsibilities that are going to be for this particular role. So as you can see, they have mentioned there is key responsibilities over here. So your key responsibilities at PwC is going to be something like building and maintaining optimized data pipelines and ETL workflows, plus using Python and SQL to process and transform data from various sources. Plus, you also be ensuring that data quality and consistency across platform and collaborating with senior engineers and architectures to build solid data solution basically. And also you will be working with cloud technologies like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, either of them, and helping in mitigating the migrating on on-premise data to the cloud, plus setting up the data lakes and cloud-based warehouses, and also working on data visualizations part, in which you will be helping the business teams use data with the tools like Power BI, Tableau, or AWS QuickSight. So these are all going to be cloud kind of your roles. And also you'll be involved into designing data structure that make reporting and dashboard smooth and efficient. Plus, so you'll also be working in the team collaboration and support, like you'll work closely with analysis, data scientists, and business users, plus troubleshooting data issues and ensures timely delivery. So, and also you will be involved into documenting data issues and ensure timely delivery, plus uh, maintaining data flows and processes for team knowledge sharing. So these all are going to be your roles and responsibilities once you join PwC as data engineering associate. Now let's discuss the requirements for this role. So qualification they have mentioned, as you can see, a bachelor degree is required, and this is the required skill set, which is 0 years of experience. Yes, freshers are eligible. Freshers, this role is basically for a fresher, either in computer science, information science, or related field, data science, AI, any stream is are eligible, especially related to computer science and IT. And you must have the strong Python and SQL knowledge, plus exposure to any cloud platform like AWS, Azure, GCP. If you know basics of this cloud platform also, then also you will be given preferences, because this role is particularly for freshers and they are not expecting a deep cloud knowledge. But if you have a basic understanding, you will be given preferences. Plus, familiarity with data visualizations tools like uh, Python, if I tell, it will be like Matplotlib, Seaborn, or if you go to BI tool, it will be Tableau, Power BI, QuickSight. So many are there. If you have basic understanding of that, you will be given preferences. Plus, if you are having understanding of ETL, data modeling, and data warehousing, then again it's gonna be a bonus for you. Plus, they require you to have a strong analytical thinking and problem solving skill for this particular role. Plus, they are also expecting you to have a very good communication skill with teamwork ability. Like, basically, you must be, comfortably working in collaborative environment. So this is all about the expectations from the role. Now, basic eligibility criteria, they have mentioned that bachelor degree in computer science or related field, data science, information technology, or any related field. And if you have done internship or project in data, that's again a huge advantage. And work location is it's available for 3 locations, as you can see over here. So if you try clicking on here, they have mentioned Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Bengaluru. So it's open for three locations, that is Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Bengaluru. So remember that. And yeah, why one should apply for this particular role at PwC? So as you all know that PwC is one of the biggest big four firms, and it's not just a firm. You'll be a part of the global network, follow the PwC professional framework, and grow through the real projects, global exposure, and continuous learning. And it's an ideal stepping stone for anyone serious about a career in data engineering, cloud, and analytics. So this is the reason why you want to join PwC and why one should apply for this particular role, because you will be representing the PwC globally in the field of data engineering, cloud, and analytics. So you'll get a great exposure of learning as well. And how you can apply? Of course, directly go to this description, and we have mentioned a direct link of career site, and then apply as soon as possible, because this type of jobs might end soon. And it's a totally freshers role, so freshers are eligible. So go and apply and hit that like button if you think we are doing a great job, because it takes a lot of effort to create a content for the people. So yeah, apply. Also try to tailor your resume somewhat related to the role, so that it will be helping you in getting shortlisted for this role. So yeah, this was all about the very good opportunity at PwC. A little bit pro tip I want to give is that try to add like concepts like SQL, like some concept like join, aggregation, window functions, pandas, numpy, basic data pipelines, ETL pipeline, basics of S3, EC2 in AWS, Lambda, Redshift. Or try to add these kind of basic skill sets into your resume, because this will help you in getting shortlisted for this role, because it's one of the biggest company in the world, so they will expect you to have somewhat hands-on experience on this particular skill. They may not have mentioned it, but try to tailor your resume such a way so that it will be easy for you to getting shortlisted. So this was all about that. And if you need any help, you can just comment in the comment section. If we'll more than happy to help. And if you're looking for a global platform, a collaborative culture, this cutting edge tech in data, the PwC opportunity is not to be missed at any cost. So whether you are a fresher or someone with basic experience in Python, SQL, start your career at PwC and gain hands-on exposure in cloud data and pipelines and business reporting. So that was all about that. And if you found this video helpful, give us a big thumbs up. Comment below if you have any question, or you need any help with the resume, or want a mock interview session as well. We'll be more than happy to help you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to forge onwards, because they bring 3 important hiring especially on this particular YouTube channel. And turn on notification bell so you never miss out any opportunity from our end. You can also subscribe to our other channel, which is Forge Tech, where we are coming with in-depth data analytics series with 20 plus hands-on projects. So subscribe to that channel so that you don't miss any new videos out there. So yeah, and also you can join our community WhatsApp and Telegram channel for the daily job updates, because there we post more than 5 to 10 jobs daily. So it will be easy for you guys to keep in touch with the flow, and you can just go with the flow and keep applying and keep chasing your dream. Yeah, that was all about this particular video. See you in the next one.